One of the last remaining real adventures on our planet is without a doubt hiking in rare big cat territory. Although the chance of observing them during their daily routine is slim, the fact that you are walking on the same ground and following the same tracks as an Amur Tiger, Amur Leopard, Snow Leopard, or Jaguar is surely fascinating. In this video, we will visit the vast Amur Halong ecoregion along the shores of the Amur River. Then proceed to the unique landscape around the Himalayan and Karakoram mountain ranges. We will also explore Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland. These magnificent big cats display strict territorial behavior, different hunting preferences, and a wild temper. Due to their endangered status, hiking in those nature reserve areas is only allowed after obtaining a permit and hiring at least one experienced and sufficiently armed local guide. Usually, hiking in eco-preservation parks is only possible by accompanying forest rangers on their routine patrol route. Joining a group of rangers offers significant benefits, including the opportunity to observe animal tracks, interpret them correctly, maintain camera traps, evaluate the captured video footage, and avoid coming near fresh kills, which would trigger an attack to protect them. The Amur River is 4,444 kilometers, or 2,761 miles long, making it the world's 10th longest river. It flows thousands of kilometers from Mongolia's steppes through the untamed wilderness of Russia and China, called the Amur Halong ecoregion. The river ends at the Strait of Tartary, emptying into the Pacific Ocean. The Amur tiger, formerly known as the Siberian tiger, is found only in the mountain forests of eastern Russia, called taiga. Also, a small population extends across the border into China. The Amur tiger has been living in the Ushuri taiga for thousands of years. Gently touching the ground, these big cats proudly and confidently walk through the taiga forest. The pace of the tiger is light and inaudible. The Amur tiger subspecies is the largest living big cat, and is well adapted to the region's high latitude, harsh climate, and long winters. Amur tigers are seriously endangered in the wild. There are estimated to be less than 500 in the Russian Far East and about 20 in southeastern China. According to a.k.a., the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, around 150 Amur tigers live in captivity in accredited zoos. Based on the satisfactory results with other big cat species worldwide, releasing Amur tigers from zoos into the wild is considered an effective conservation tool. This method can increase and stabilize the endangered population and re-establish this majestic apex predator in new regions. In the extreme southeast of the country, close to the borders with China and North Korea, Russia has established a 650,000-acre, or 2,630 square kilometers national park, to protect what is regarded as the world's rarest cat, the Amur leopard. Around 70 to 80 individuals are estimated to survive in the wild, making this protected area, which covers around 60% of the leopard's habitat, a vital step forward in saving this beautiful species from extinction. The remote forested area within Russia's Primorsky Krai region also encompasses the big cat's breeding grounds, a move that provides the Amur leopard population with its best possible chance of expanding. They share some of their high-altitude habitat with the Amur tiger. However, the Amur leopards do their best to actively avoid encounters by settling on steep ridges, which offer them a vantage point from which they can track their prey and any competitors from afar. Although smaller than most other leopard subspecies, the Amur leopard is well adapted for its life in the hills and forests of the Amur Halong region, which it calls home. Its thick fur insulates it when the winter snows start to fall. When hunting prey, mainly deer, moose, and wild pig, but sometimes smaller mammals and even young black bears, the big cat can reach speeds of up to 37 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour. The Amur leopard is a solitary hunter. Depending on the individual, the leopard can claim a territory of between 20 and 120 square miles as its hunting ground. The following scenes were captured by camera traps, which were installed by Russian and Chinese forest reservation rangers. 2017 saw the opening of a research center within the land of the Leopard National Park. Its administrative building and laboratories comprise the world's largest facility dedicated to the conservation of the Amur leopard. The enterprise has also added a hotel and a museum for park visitors to enjoy. To embark on a hiking trip to this far-flung corner of the world, in search of the rarest feline of them all, is to step into the wild truly. The Himalayan and Karakoram mountain ranges contain all of the world's 14 above 8,000-meter high mountains. Hiking to the base camps, or around these giants, is guaranteed to create long-lasting memories. Some of the world-famous hiking routes in this region include the Annapurna Circuit Trek, Kanchenjunga National Park and Biosphere Reserve, and, of course, the K2 Base Camp Trek. The area, which covers Nepal and parts of the Tibet Autonomous Region of China, Pakistan, Bhutan, and India, is rich in flora and fauna. Among many other species, also the endangered red pandas live in high-altitude forests on the outskirts of the mountains. And, most notably, the ghost of the mountains lives exclusively in that area. Meet the elusive and graceful snow leopard. Native to the rugged mountain ranges of Central and South Asia, the snow leopard is known for its pale gray, or light tan coat, adorned with dark rosettes and spots, which help it blend seamlessly into its snowy habitat. With a muscular body and long, thick tail, the snow leopard possesses exceptional agility and balance. Its short front limbs and long hind limbs enable leopard to leap great distances and navigate steep, rocky terrains easily. This beautiful big cat is not only the apex predator in its habitat but also plays a crucial role in maintaining the biodiversity of its ecosystem. According to the hunting statistics prepared by the Snow Leopard Foundation, 9 out of 10 attempts are not successful. The 3 most important prey species for snow leopards are the blue sheep, the Asiatic ibex, and the argali, another wild sheep species. Wild prey availability is the most crucial factor determining whether an area is suitable for the snow leopards. They are opportunistic predators, and sometimes hunt domestic livestock, such as sheep, goats, horses, or young yaks, especially stragglers that get left behind in pastures. Although IUCN, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, recently changed the snow leopard status from endangered to vulnerable, snow leopard populations may still be dwindling across parts of their range, due to illegal hunting for their fur and to be used in traditional medicine preparation. This peculiarly shaped area, located south of the Amazon rainforest in central western Brazil, eastern Bolivia, and eastern Paraguay, is the world's largest tropical freshwater wetland. It is called Pantanal, a seasonally flooded plain fed by the tributaries of the Paraguay River, and surrounded by hills forming a crescent. At 68,000 square miles, or 42 million acres, or 176,000 square kilometers, Pantanal is larger than 9 US states, and more than 20 times the size of the Everglades. This unique region is a refuge, breeding ground, and nursery for iconic wildlife. The massive wetland is home to hundreds of fish, birds, reptiles, and mammal species. With approximately 10 million caimans, Pantanal provides home, shelter, and food to the largest concentration of crocodiles in the world. Jaguars, the largest felines in the Americas, are the undisputed kings of Pantanal. They hunt simply everything that moves. Capybaras, anacondas, and caimans are the main dishes on their menu. Under these favorable circumstances, with around 4,000 big cats, Pantanal has accumulated one of the highest densities of jaguar populations worldwide. Unlike the Amur Halong ecoregion, or the Himalayan biosphere reserves, where big cat sightings are highly scarce, the Pantanal has emerged as the best location in the world to watch and photograph jaguars in the wild. In the Pantanal, jaguars are not seen in the flash of an eye, only if you are lucky, but they can be observed for periods of time as they go about their daily lives. The dry season in the Pantanal lasts from May to September. It is considered the best time to visit the Pantanal for wildlife viewing, with fewer mosquitoes and less vegetation to obscure your view. Depending on the time of year, jaguars use different hunting tactics and methods during the 3 months of the rainy season, followed by the long dry season. Although solitary animals, the jaguars of Pantanal display a more developed social life. It is common to observe more than one big cat on a small island, and surprisingly, they get along quite well without wasting energy on pointless fights for trying to secure a large territory, simply because dry land in the rainy season is hard to find when the whole area is submerged under the floods. Organized hiking tours in Pantanal often alternate between walking, horseback riding, and exploring the numerous islands in a boat. While sailing, tourists can observe jaguars from a short distance, either swimming from island to island, or resting in the shade of the trees. The IUCN considers jaguars near-threatened. This means that they have a relatively small population that is likely to become smaller in the future. Jaguar populations are expected to decline because of continued threats from habitat loss, poaching, and killings by local communities. Eco-friendly tourism is a new source of income for the local population in Pantanal that might help increase awareness and protect this unique habitat of a large number of animals. As our last destination, we move further north until we reach the seemingly endless rainforest, which expands around the Amazon River. Like in Pantanal, jaguars rule all over the Amazonas region. However, a rare and extraordinary sort of jaguar lives exclusively here, the mysterious black jaguar. Spotting black jaguars in their natural habitat, at the heart of the rainforest, is only possible with great luck and immense patience. Filming this master of disguise while it hunts a giant anaconda is almost a miracle.
Best estimates indicate only 600 black jaguars exist in the wild today. These mysterious big cats prefer to live in the dense rainforest because they own the shadows. Our hiking tour in the rare big cat habitats ends here. We hope you liked it, and thank you for watching.